Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the topic is divisibility. Divisibility. That means the definition of divisibility is a number is said to be divisible by another number if the remainder is to be zero. அதாவது தமிழ்ல வகுபடும் தன்மை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு நம்பரை இன்னொரு நம்பரால வகுக்கும் போது அதனுடைய ரிமைண்டர் அதாவது மீதி வர்றது ஜீரோ அப்படின்னு வரணும். அதாவது ரிமைண்டர் எதுவும் இல்லாம ஃபுல்லா கம்ப்ளீட்டா அது டிவைட் ஆச்சுனாக்கா அதுக்கு தான் divisibility அப்படின்னு பேரு. There are some rules to find whether the number is divisible by another number or not. Now we are going to see the step by step. Divisible by 1. 1 is a common divisor for all the numbers. For example, if any number is divisible by 1, 2 by 1, 7 by 1, 12 by 1, the answer is to be 12, 7, 2. The remainder is 0. Next, divisible by 2. The unit digit of the given number is even or 0. Unit For example, 22, 78, 60. The unit digit is nothing but the ones of the given number. Here ones 2, unit digit is 2, here 8 and here 0. Now this number is divided by 2, the value is 11, remainder 0. 78 which divided by 2, the value is 39, and the 60 which divided by 2, the value will be 30, remainder 0. Next, the divisibility rule for the 3 is sum of all the digit which divided by 3 without any remainder. Sum of all the digit divided by 3. When the rule is satisfied, the given number is to be divided by 3. For example, 591. Here, unit digit 10 hundreds. The sum of all the digit, sum of digit means 5, 9 and 1. 5 plus 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15. The sum of all the digit which divided by 3 is fully divided without any remainder. The remainder is 0. 15 divided by 3 5 times and the remainder is 0. So the number is divided by 3. We can divide 3, 1 3s are 3, 2, 9, 29, 9 3s are 27, 21, 7 3s are 21, remainder is 0. 1 3 is 0, 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 1 3 is The value is 197. So this number is divided by 3. Next example 39. Sum of the given digit number is 3 plus 9 equal to 12, which divided by 3 the value is 4, remainder 0. So the given number is fully divided by 3. It satisfies the rule for divisibility of 3. So we can try 3, 1 3s are 3, 9, 3 3s are 9. The value is 13. Next, the divisibility rule for 4 is last 2 digit of the given number is divided by 4, or the last 2 digit will be 0. Last 2 digit divided by 4, or last 2 digit will be 0. For example, 1044. The given number is 1044. The last 2 digit of the number is 44. It can be divided by 4. The value is 11. Remainder 0. So the whole number should be divided by 4. For example, 4 divided by 4, 2 4s are 8, so 24, 4, 1 4s are 4. Remainder 0. So the 1044 is completely divided by 4. And the next example, the last 2 digit is 0. The number is fully divided by 4. We can check. 4, 6 4s are 24, 2 0, 5 4s are 20, 0 0. So this number is also divided by 4 without any remainder. Next, the rule for 5. Last digit of the given number is to be 0 or 5. The unique digit for example 55, 80, 75. The unique digit of the given number, that means the last digit of the number is either 5 or 0. It should be completely divided by 5. You can check. 55 by 5 11 times, 80 by 5 16 times, 75 by 5 15. So these numbers completely divided by 5. Next, the divisibility rule for 6. There is no separation rule for number 6. It should be satisfy the divisibility rule for 2 and 3. For example, the given number is 36. Whether this number is divided by 6, we are going to check. It should be satisfy the rules for 2 and 3. First we check 36 for 2. The last digit is even or 0. So it's completely divided by 2 18 times. Then divided by 3. The rule is sum of all the digits of the given number divided by 3. 3 plus 6 equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So the remainder is 0. It is also satisfied. The rule 2 and 3 both are satisfied. So the given number is completely divided by 6. So the 36 divided by 6 times. Thank you guys. If the class is useful to you, please kindly support for my channel. Thank you.